Hello everyone, myself Prachi and today I am going to prepare a audio recording for visually impaired students on the topic Bioinorganic Chemistry from Pradeep's Inorganic Chemistry Volume 3 by Dr. K. Bhasin. So let's start. Inorganic chemistry deals primarily with salts and complexes metal ion, whereas in bioinorganic chemistry deal majorly with inorganic chemistry when applied to biological system. Thus, bioinorganic chemistry can be regarded as the branch of science that relate inorganic chemistry with life processes by recognizing the role of metal ion in the normal growth and function of biological process. In brief, biological chemistry highlights role of metal ion in biology. Bioinorganic chemistry is a rapidly developing area of chemistry because of its importance in biological system. The essential biological role of a few elements have been known for many years. This chapter will focus on the important role of metals, non-metals, and their compound in biological processes. Essential and trace metal. We think that the chemistry of life is solely composed of organic molecules. It is a wrong concept. In fact, there is a long list of inorganic compounds that are essential to living system. For example, the skeleton and integumental material in a higher animal is composed majorly of inorganic material, and the lifetime composition of oxygen by a living entity is a major fraction of its material needs. In addition, water, oxygen, calcium phosphate, and calcium carbonate are the major inorganic constituents of living matter in the term of quantity. There is a list of abundance of elements in Earth's crust and in oceans compared with some abundance in typical mammals. Of all the known elements, it is about 30 elements that have been recognized as essential and indispensable to life. Of the 30 elements, 50 of them are metal. The essential elements are needed for the growth and normal function of the animals and plants. Absence of these elements result in severe malfunction of the living organism. Thus, an element may be considered essential when its insufficient intake produces an impairment of normal function, and its sortation relieves them impaired function. Some of these elements are required in bulk or macroscopic amount to form of life and are classified as bulk element. Some of the bulk elements are required for structural processes while the rest are used as minerals.